can get some cool fonts to put in your Facebook posts. So I want to put in Fast and Fabulous. So I am going to Google and I'm searching font changer, and I'm just going to pick any of these websites. They're all good. It's just up to you what you want. Oopsie. Sorry about that. So you type in the text you want, make sure it has the, if you want it all caps or if you want it to be all lowercase. In this case, it's part of a sentence, so I want it to be all lowercase. And you just scroll down in the little window here and you can pick which font you want to use. And you're basically just going to highlight it, copy it, and paste it into your post. I'm going to find something cute. Sorry for all the dings. I should have turned on Do Not Disturb first. Well, I'm not seeing. Let's see. Some of these come out kind of small, so I'm just going to pick this one. That's kind of cool, huh? Copy. You see that? I highlighted it, copied it. Come back to my post. I'm going to hold my finger down. I'm on my phone right now. I'm going to click paste. And that's it. I hope this blesses you. Thanks for watching.